Pakistani lawmaker Shandana Gulzar Khan, many thanks for joining us on the programme. It's good to see you. I'd like to know, what's your take on the court's decision to hold Shahbaz Gill on remand, and what are the possible implications of this?
Thank you, Nikki. Now, given that I'm a member of PTI, Imran Khan's party, my opinion would hardly matter because it would be, as the observers would say, it would be biased in favor of my own party. So let me give you what the media is saying, what the lawyers are saying. That when you have a patient in a critical medical condition, whether he be in jail or out of it, you do not hand him over back to the same authorities that brought him to that physical condition in the first place. For that reason, today, where I was in the High Court as well, the judges of the High Court have called the central representatives of the prison, of the jail, lockup where he was kept, to figure out what went wrong where. In addition, the judge also did not take into account any of the medical records. As a result of that, Mr. Shahbaz Gill was taken to hospital last night in a difficult condition. He was already asthmatic. He was suffering from bronchopulmonal diseases. And now it seems the word on the street is that people will not, or judges or lawyers or police, the impression on the street is that if you are a PTI worker or a PTI party member, you will be subject to all kinds of abuse. The law doesn't matter. And that is a very dangerous place for Pakistan to be in.
And what do you make of the claims that Shahbaz Gill was tortured in custody by Islamabad police?
It's interesting. We have two statements. One from Shahbaz Gill in which he says he was stripped, hung upside down and beaten up. And the medical records testify to that. On the other hand, on Twitter, Islamabad police today gave a statement that they did not even touch Mr. Gill. Then that leaves a black hole in the entire argument. So the medical records are supporting him, and the police have stated that, and the statement of police should not be taken lightly. That means there was a third party that came in and conducted the abuse, which means the police of Islamabad has used its lockup to allow in external people. We don't know who they are. They could be from the opposition parties. They could be anybody. And